Below the surface, McDonald's is a case study illustrating how brands can enter the metaverse, as it is banking on exactly what has already made it billions of dollars. Hidden within the depths of its applications and beyond the downloadable multimedia files, virtual events, and non-fungible tokens is what McDonald's is really after, operating a virtual restaurant online featuring home delivery, according to trademark attorney Josh Gerben, who tweeted about it last week. And in today's video, we will be showing you how McDonald's discovers the golden ticket to making money in the metaverse. Without further ado, let's begin. The metaverse is a concept of a persistent, online 3D universe that combines multiple different virtual spaces. You can think of it as a future iteration of the internet. The metaverse will allow users to work, meet, game, and socialize together in these 3D spaces. The metaverse isn't fully in existence, but some platforms contain metaverse-like elements. Video games currently provide the closest metaverse experience on offer. Developers have pushed the boundaries of what a game is through hosting in-game events and creating virtual economies. Although not required, cryptocurrencies can be a great fit for a metaverse. They allow for creating a digital economy with different types of utility tokens and virtual collectibles, NFTs. The metaverse would also benefit from the use of crypto wallets, such as the Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Also, blockchain technology can provide transparent and reliable governance systems. Blockchain, metaverse-like applications already exist and provide people with livable incomes. Axie Infinity is one play-to-earn game that many users play to support their income. Second Life and Decentraland are other examples of successfully mixing the blockchain world and virtual reality apps. When we look to the future, big tech giants are trying to lead the way. However, the decentralized aspects of the blockchain industry is letting smaller players participate in the metaverse's development as well. The connection between the financial, virtual, and physical worlds have become increasingly linked. The devices we use to manage our lives give us access to almost anything we want at the touch of a button. The crypto ecosystem hasn't escaped this either. NFTs, blockchain games, and crypto payments aren't just limited to crypto geeks anymore. They're now all easily available as part of a developing metaverse. McDonald's recently filed applications with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office in what indicates to most that the global fast food chain is setting up to open shop in the metaverse. Its applications largely center around the $36 billion company's expansion into the virtual food and beverage sector. But McDonald's isn't just betting on demand for digital burgers or golden arches NFTs. McDonald's is entering the metaverse to offer patrons another way to order food, real food, for delivery online to its customers' real homes. The seemingly mundane move is smart, and business owners who want to stay on the cutting edge should pay attention. Here are the 3 guideposts that can help inform a savvy strategy to enter and make money in the metaverse. Will you soon be able to order a Big Mac in the metaverse? It looks like that's where we're headed, even if it's not actually yet the case. McDonald's has applied to register several trademarks for virtual goods and services such as restaurants and cafes. Among other things, the application includes the idea of a virtual restaurant featuring actual and virtual goods, as well as operating a virtual restaurant online featuring home delivery. Lately, numerous companies have been showing interest in the metaverse. Is it a genuine technology initiative or fear of missing the boat? Either way, companies like Walmart, Disney, Adidas, and Nike have already got projects underway. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. McDonald's seems to be following suit, joining rank with other major companies that are moving into the virtual reality market, symbolized by the Facebook group's name change to Meta at the end of October 2021. The American fast food giant seems to imagine using the metaverse as a channel for then delivering its offerings to consumers' homes. Taking things further, McDonald's has reportedly included online actual and virtual concerts in its trademark application for its digital cafe. Other content, such as NFTs, would also be envisaged by the world-famous brand, as well as virtual food and beverage items. If this kind of initiative is now edging into the mainstream, it can still be hard to get your head around the idea. It's currently possible to get your McDonald's menu delivered on several applications and in barely 5 clicks, so how could the metaverse make it even easier? The answer might lie in the all-digital customer experience. 1. Sell what sells for you. No one decides to swing into a McDonald's because they're looking to invest some money or buy some artwork. So when McDonald's decides to join the metaverse, it wasn't just an attempt to stay relevant or to sell something totally new, but to keep selling exactly what sells: real-life burgers, fries, and other food products. As simple as it sounds, it's brilliant because the 66-year-old company knows what people want, and it's continuing to sell exactly that, but via the metaverse. 2. Meet people where they are. A future where people are spending their time in the metaverse means that they're not going out to a McDonald's restaurant in person. But that doesn't mean McDonald's needs to lose opportunity to feed hungry people looking for a bite to eat. And so McDonald's is using the metaverse to meet people where they are, a key in finding customers, by giving them the ability to visit McDonald's in the metaverse and order real food, which will get delivered to their real homes. 3. Offer a clear value. Though the value of a Big Mac might be debatable, there's no denying that the company is giving its customers a very clear value for their money. Because they can get via the metaverse exactly what they would get from a real-life McDonald's restaurant, it will reduce friction and drive sales. After all, people know how much a burger and a shake costs, and when they buy it, they know exactly what they want to get for their money. The genius of McDonald's entry into the metaverse is that it proves you can stay in your own lane while exploring new paths. For businesses, the metaverse is just another platform to reach customers and make sales. And you don't have to make up new products to be a part of it. So forge a strong value position and use it to your advantage. It doesn't matter whether you're operating a business in the real world or in a virtual world, you need to provide real-world value. And to do that, you need to give people what they want, where they are. Because unless you're Andy Warhol, odds are the average person isn't going to be too wild about the NFT of burgers and fries or a ketchup packet. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below, what are your thoughts about it? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.